What's up, guys? Guess I'm gonna take y'all fishing today for white bass. Stay tuned. Snakes are definitely out. Just gotta watch her step. Oh yeah, water level's kind of up. Should get up to, well, it's not bad. Success. Do a little fishing here. First cast. It's a keeper. Not bad. So I just got an ultralight action rod, 6-pound test, floral, and just a chartreuse jig head, and a little Barbie Garland, 2-inch, I think. See if I can get another one. Might get a snag right here. I'm kind of scared of. Ooh, right there. I think they are some of the hardest fighting fish. Check that out. Another one. 22 more and I got my living. Might just take, I don't know, maybe 15 today. I mean, I got plenty of people that love to eat the fish and they can't really fish, so I help them out. I mean, it's fun for me, and I mean, they get to eat too. And I love eating these fish. I eat them. I don't waste them. I don't just put them in my freezer and forget about them. They're usually gone in about a couple months, if even that. See if I can get another one. Not that cast, huh? Up in the... Oh! There we go. That's a good one right there. Oh, I don't go in the branches. Oh, this is a good one. Definitely fighting like good. There we go. Not bad. I mean, I think they're fun to catch. I think that's why a lot of people go for them. And it's every cast, so it's non-stop action for us. There we go. Pretty fish. I think a slow retrieve is probably the best. I mean, that's how I get most of my bites. Midday, they kind of like to be in the little shadows of the trees. Get some cover. There we go. Right where I said. Really, anybody can do this. First timers, they'll love this. I don't know what this is. That's a keeper. Pretty fish. Go. Another one for the grease. I got a little confused there. See, that's 25, 20 more, and I'm about limited out. Well, this is easy fishing. Anybody can do this. I think the walk here is probably the hardest part and the longest. Seem to be hanging out in this little area right here next to these branches, or under these branches. Not that far from me either, but probably less than 20 feet. And that one was like 15 feet away from me. Oh, he's got some energy. That's good. Oh. Heck yes. I'll have to use the pliers for him. Yep. Just a slow retrieve, that's all you need. Now, this is fun. I don't care what anybody says, this is fun. Anybody can do it. Oh, this is a good one right here. Probably the biggest of the day so far. So far. He's done wrapping himself up. There he goes. Another one. I mean, I ain't doing too bad for being out here for 5-10 minutes. What's up, guys? This is the next day, and I'm gonna fry up this fish with a little bit of mustard, and I'm also gonna cook the eggs. Not a whole lot. So this is just a Louisiana fish fry. Nothing special. It's already seasoned. Smells good. I think it's hot enough. Here's the eggs, nice and coated. Sometimes the eggs will explode, so you got to be careful if you're going to try this out. So white bass, just like anything else, when you fry it, it tastes good. I've ate it all my life. The eggs, I mean, if you're just trying it out, it might be kind of weird. It has a weird texture, definitely. But other than that, it's pretty good to me. And if you're in a survival situation, you're definitely gonna eat the eggs. I think you'll definitely appreciate the eggs. Careful biting into these eggs, they're gonna be hot. Oh yeah, super good. To me, I mean, I was raised up on it. It might be kind of weird to you, but to me, it's delicious. Mmm. That's excellent. Try out some of this, the fillets. I know this is gonna be good. Of course it's gonna be good. It's just fried fish. Hot. Super good. And honestly, fried fish, it's gonna be good. Gotta have your beverage. So fried white bass with the eggs. Honestly, it's really good. You should try it. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll continue making more videos. Thank you.